This is the RIDEIRON all-season 3-in-1 versatile protective riding jacket MG5512. Let's take a look at the jacket. It looks very nice, looks like a policeman jacket, if you ask me. Take a look how versatile this jacket is with the removable vest. So you can swap between the three designs of the jacket. It's water-resistant fabric, ribbed collar and cuffs, plus a back ventilation zipper ensure you stay comfortable and protected from wind, rain and temperature shifts during your ride. Let's take a look at its details. It has a safety and practical storage with the removable CE level 2 armor on shoulders, elbows and back. The jacket offers solid protection, multiple 3D cargo pockets with a MOLLE system, provides secure modular storage, is for keeping your essential organized. This jacket adapts to changing weather, ensuring all-day comfort and reliable protection wherever a road leads. Premium protection with removable CE level 2 armor strategically placed on shoulders, elbows and back. It's crafted from high-performance and splash-resistant fabric, making it ideal for unpredictable winter weather. It comes with a removable outer vest. This vest can be worn alone or paired with the jacket. It has a functional storage with multiple 3D cargo pockets, MOLLE system, modular storage options. It has a windproof rib collar and cuffs. It's designed with ribbed edges on the collar and cuffs. This jacket seals out cold wind to maintain warmth without restricting movement or comfort. I look forward to use this jacket on my deliveries because it has also a very comfortable cut. It's a little bit elastic, flexible, and you barely feel it on your body. Regarding the size, I ordered XL because the previous jacket, which I made a review last year, it was a different jacket, but still the cut was a little bit too tight, so I decided to buy XL, which fits me quite good, and I'm even able to put another layer underneath the jacket. It's very flexible, I feel comfortable, and the jacket looks pretty nice. It has a very nice design and practical in the same way. Alright, this is the jacket. This is the jacket I've got from RIDEIRON. Let's take a look at the jacket. Make a 360 tour. Yeah, last year when I had the previous jacket, I was testing also the jacket last year, a similar jacket. It was size M, if I'm not mistaken, and it was quite small for me, but this time I have chosen XL size. I thought, man, better to be bigger than smaller, so XL size I have now, which fits perfectly. I can even put something under it. Usually, if I'm thinking now this model for me, it should have been better to have L size, but now when I ride it for a couple of weeks, I'm satisfied with XL size. I'm 181 meters height and about 90 kilos. XL size, very comfortable. I mean, very comfortable. But if you're having the same dimensions as I have, you can easily choose L size. It will also fit better because the fabric, it's elastic, it's flexible, it's very comfortable, very light, so you don't have a problem with L size as well. Check out the measurements from the website and you will definitely have a little bit of flexibility between the sizes. First time when I saw it, I thought, man, this is a winter jacket because it's a little bit not so thick. The jacket, it's thinner than I've expected. For a winter jacket, I thought maybe I need a thicker jacket, but no, this is a 3-in-1 jacket. Even though it's a little bit thin, it's very light, very flexible. It provides a lot of comfort in terms of temperature. Now we have outside about 10 Celsius. I'm feeling very comfortable at 10 Celsius, only with a very thin sweater underneath and an underwear. So you can make an idea about the comfort which I have with this jacket at this moment. As I said, this is a 3-in-1 jacket. You have the jacket plus vest. This is the vest which this is a vest which you can take it off. You can take off the vest with all these pockets, and then you're gonna have only the vest, indeed with no protections, but you can use the vest with all the pockets and all the benefits. The vest is very important. Why? Because one, you can wear it during the summer. You can feel very comfortable wearing it, and it has a very functional design with a lot of pockets, a lot of zippers, a lot of storage spaces. And it's what can I say, because I'm making deliveries, it's very important for me to keep everything, to keep the wallet, to keep the keys, to keep the tips, very important, and some other accessories. It's very important to have a lot of storage spaces, and not only to have the storage spaces, but these storage spaces, they need to be very easy to access. So easy access to the storage space, easy adjustments which you can make, for example here, because I have an XL size. I can adjust the width of the sleeve. I can put it up, for example, have a lot of freedom, movement freedom. You see, this jacket, I can also wear it over some protections as well. The vest has its own storage space on the left side, but if you close it, you have a fully functional winter jacket, 3-in-1 winter jacket with a lot of pockets, a lot of storage compartments. You have ventilation on the rear, on the back. You can open a ventilation during summer. You can adjust this jacket according to your riding needs in terms of comfort, in terms of weather. I'm wearing, as you see, the gloves, the new heated gloves, which for which I made the video before on the channel. It's on the channel. I put a link in the description. This is the complete setup for me during the winter times. I'm making deliveries, and I'm gonna use the heated gloves together with the 3-in-1 jacket. I think it offers me the best flexibility during winter riding on my scooter on the city. All right, let's see the jacket. Let's see what pockets do we have and what I'm using inside the jacket. So I have the left pocket. Here I keep the wallet, because the pocket, not only that it has some velcro strap, you can see, but it has also this strap. This is this attachment in order to keep the pocket safe. So the pocket is safe. You open it, and here I have my wallet, and put it on the left side. I close it and then secure it. The same on the right side. On the right side, I'm putting the keys. Here are the keys. On the left side, but you can also wear the wallet here and the keys on the left, but for the wallet I need access on the left side. Close it and secure it. Then I have another very small pocket here where I keep the keys for the scooter. These are the scooter, it's keyless, has a keyless system, and I'm keeping the keys here. It's a very good position for keeping the scooter keys. I have another two pockets, one here, very small ones. You can put anything from a pen to some tips to some, anything which you need. You can place it here. You have also an inside pocket, a pocket on the vest, a pocket on the jacket, so two more additional pockets. Protections, as I mentioned, you have protection for the elbows, protection for the shoulders, and protection for the backside. Yeah, the jacket, I'm surprised. I'm surprised about its comfort, about this thermal comfort which is providing due to its thickness. So it's definitely some technology behind the layers. Something positive, I like a lot this end of the sleeve. It's elastic. The end of the sleeve is elastic. I like this very much. It gives a lot of comfort and it helps the glove to sit better and prevents the wind from getting inside. I think it's a very good decision they made. They have the same on the bottom, on here on the bottom side, the same fabric. The same fabric here. I like it quite a lot, and it's helping. And the same on the neck over here. A small remark regarding the neck here. Sometimes it could be annoying here on the neck side because of the helmet D-lock here, the helmet lock here. It sometimes, it touches here, it's too straight on this side, it's not so. Maybe if you put the helmet lock inside and then you cover it and somehow, or you put the buffer outside, you need to find the best way, because I need to turn the head left and right side, and here I don't want any disturbance, any blockage in the movement, but they thought most likely to protect you here on this part, to keep you warm, to prevent the wind from coming, but in the same time it blocks somehow the movement. You need to find a way, or maybe it's just my helmet. As I said, it fits perfectly with the jacket. The gloves are fitting perfectly with the jacket. The jacket gets inside and it protects quite well from the wind. The wind is coming from the front, and everything is protected. The jacket, it's underneath the gloves, and I really like it. It sticks very well to the hand. Yeah, let's make it simple. The jacket is very comfortable, very light. It's over my expectations in terms of heat, in terms of thermal protection. I was not expecting such a good thermal protection. I'm continuing to ride it in the next days. Now we have 10 Celsius, but starting from the night we have 3-4 Celsius, and in the next weeks I'm expecting also some snow. So I'm gonna test it. It's very good that it's XL. I can test it with other layers underneath. I'm gonna test it without any layer. I'm gonna test it in multiple conditions. I'm gonna wear it. It's very important that this jacket, they claim to be water resistant or water repellent. The outer fabric seems so. The outer fabric seems that it's somehow repels the water. I don't know how much you can resist in the rain with this type of jacket. I'm gonna use it most likely. It can handle some light rain easily. It can handle some light rain easily. I'm pretty sure about it, but I have to see if I need another extra waterproof layer over this jacket. It's also very possible that I'm gonna use the one I have. And I was searching for this type of jacket that it's very light, very easy to use. Just take it and go for the city riding. I think I'm gonna use it on some rides on my motorcycle as well. During deliveries, and especially during the night, I'm getting to very strange locations. I don't know how it happens, but it happens. And the temperature difference between some locations is quite huge, because some are located close to the forest, and you even get 3 Celsius difference, 3-4 Celsius difference. The gloves will help me a lot during this winter season. I still have 1 or 2 months to deliver. Let's see after 1 year how this jacket will handle, how this jacket will perform. See you after 1 year, because I always like to make this type of videos, but I also like to make a long-term video reviews. I'm gonna come back after 1 year with the feedback. Stick around.